Hey guys, Meaty Vlogs here, and today welcome back to another episode of MMore Goatz Edition. So in the last video, as you can see, we played it. If you haven't seen it, there will be a link in the description to that video. So let's get started. Again, this is the demo, so we're only gonna have a little bit of time. So this time, or the last episode, we were the magician. This time, we're gonna be boom, the microwave. Let's see what this can do. Oh, right. Hello. Alright, let's see what we can do. Right. So we can't jump that high like in the goat versions, but I look pretty kind of funny. Oh, wait, let's go this way. Boom, selfie. Click. Alright, so where should we go? Oh, okay, it looks like it's just like a man instead of a microwave thing. Alright, new quest, Adventurous Path. Let's see. Whee! Oh. Ooh, a gold farm. Let's see what's in here. Oh, there's like nothing. Hello there, my hero. Oh. Wait, you guys saw nothing. I just like kicked them. Whoa. Boom, I'm strong. There's a goat. I don't know why they added these microwaves in here. Gold fuels. It's pretty much like a gold everything. Gold shell. Oh, and there's a blacksmith. Oh, he's following me. Have him as a pet. Yay. Was this fun? So, it just looks funny, like having this guy as my pet in here. Or like, whee! Alright, where should we go? Let's head. Let's see. Let's go over there. There's like a little car thing over there. Whoa! Horse. Is that a goat? Yeah, it's a goat. Let's see. Let's go. Right, in here. What's in? Is this a car or something? Can I drive on it? Oh. I broke it. Oh. Oh, what's in here? Oh, dang it. Right, new quest. Car repair. Oh, I need to repair the car? Okay. Oh. I already did it. Alright, so as you can see, I have 2 minutes and 10 seconds left. What should we do? Mushrooms. Oh! Oh, I did not expect that. Uh, let's see. I don't know what those guys are. Please welcome right here. Nope. I quit this guy. Oh wait, what could he do? He shoots out stuff. Are those pizzas? What? Oh, okay. Oh. So I guess I could commit suicide. Nobody likes me. Boom. Alright, come on. 1 minute. Hurry up. Get up. Get up. Alright, so let's see. What can we do next? What can we do next? Barrel. Actually, I have no idea. Oh, let's go up this house. My home. Your house. Yay. It's my house. Look at my bed. Jumping on my bed. Look at my little desk in here. Well, we have 24 seconds. What should we do? it's kind of weird and mysterious because, I mean, you could go anywhere you want, but you just don't know where. Oh God, is that poop? Oh God. Oh, anyways, guys. It ended. And guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure to comment, like, and subscribe to this channel. Also, there'll be a link in the description to my main channel. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.